A man snored so loud his wife banished him to the couch. His solution? A $200 foam wedge that landed him on Shark Tank. Before you drop serious cash on what's basically an expensive triangle, hit that like button and subscribe, because I'm investigating whether the Snorinator is genius or glorified furniture. Lloyd Ecker tried everything. Nasal strips, mouthpieces, adjustable beds. Nothing worked. Then he discovered Fowler's position, a hospital technique where patients sleep at a steep angle to improve breathing. He stacked pillows to test it and apparently stopped snoring. That garage experiment became the Snorinator. The pillow holds you at a 60 to 66 degree angle using high-density memory foam. No electronics, no moving parts, just a wedge with lumbar support and a head cradle. The foam is CertiPUR-US certified, and the cover removes for washing. Here's the pitch. Sleeping upright keeps airways open, reducing snoring. Medical professionals use Fowler's position for breathing issues, so the concept isn't random. But here's what they won't tell you up front. Sleeping at that angle isn't natural for everyone. Your body might hate it. Price dropped to $160 from the original $200 MSRP thanks to their Shark Tank special. That's a $40 slash, which sounds generous until you realize quality wedge pillows on Amazon cost $30 to $60. Add a pillowcase for $15 or a travel case for $35. You're still paying premium prices for foam geometry. Lori Grenier and Michael Strahan invested $100,000 on Shark Tank after testing it on set. That's validation, but remember, sharks invest in market potential, not personal product love. The 30-day return window exists, but they recommend giving it time before deciding. Translation: your body needs adjustment period, and results aren't guaranteed. The verdict? The Snorinator works for some people based on legitimate sleep science, but it's expensive, requires adaptation, and might cause discomfort. If you snore badly and tried everything else, it's worth considering. But cheaper wedge pillows exist that accomplish similar results. Don't expect miracles from foam geometry.